CrowdStrike versus Palo Alto 2025. Which is the better cybersecurity platform? Cybersecurity is more critical than ever, and in 2025, CrowdStrike and Palo Alto are two major players. But which platform should you choose? CrowdStrike focuses on endpoint protection, threat detection, and cloud-based AI analytics. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just antivirus software, but CrowdStrike monitors behavior, detects anomalies, and responds to threats in real time. You won't believe what happens next. It can protect devices across multiple operating systems while providing detailed reporting and compliance tools. Palo Alto Networks offers a broader cybersecurity ecosystem, including firewalls, network security, and cloud security tools. Unlike CrowdStrike, it's ideal for enterprises needing complete security management across networks, endpoints, and cloud environments. Pricing differs. CrowdStrike typically uses per endpoint subscriptions, while Palo Alto's enterprise solutions can be significantly higher, but include network-wide protections. So, which is better? For endpoint-focused protection, fast deployment, and AI-powered threat detection, CrowdStrike excels. For comprehensive network and cloud security, Palo Alto is smarter. The surprising truth is that the best cybersecurity platform depends on your organization's size, needs, and infrastructure. There is no one-size-fits-all solution.